The rich-minded parents always treat and grow their children differently. Rich parents always teach their children those qualities which help their children become rich and live a happy and prosperous life. Today we are going to check out lessons rich parents teach their kids that the poor don't. 5. Understanding how money works. Most of the people don't even know how money works and they expect to be rich. In our schools, we are taught about a lot of different subjects, including history, science, and many more. But what about money? No one teaches us about how money works and how we can earn it. All we know about money is that we need to study hard, get good grades, and then get into a good job to earn money. But there's a lot more to it. You can be financially rich only when you will learn about the functioning of money, taxes, and a lot of other terms. 4. Increase income instead of lowering your expenses. You will never find a rich person compromising with the standard of living. You will always see that a rich person would not think twice before buying a thing that he likes, and on the other hand, a poor person would think a lot of times before buying something. This is because there's a difference in their mindset. A poor person thinks about how they will buy the thing, and the rich will say, "Let me figure out a way to buy this." This is the difference. Instead of lowering your expenses and trying to save money, try to increase your income and buy all the things that you always wish to buy. 3. Let money work for you instead of you working for it. A lot of people have now become the slaves of money. They spend their life running behind it and finally die poor. On the other hand, a rich person will always use their money to earn more money. For example, if you can work 8 hours a day, this means you are working 8 hours a day. But if you hire 3 people who can work for you 8 hours a day, this means that you are working 24 hours a day. So always make sure that you use your money wisely and let it work for you. You need lots of money to live a better life. Diversifying your income stream to make more money in business is old advice, but in tough economic times, it's advice worth taking. One of the least risky and least costly ways to successfully increase your business income is to make better use of your existing assets and resources. 2. Money is not an evil, it is good. A lot of times, you must have heard people saying things like money is bad or it is the greatest evil, but this is not correct, as money is very important and is really very good. After all, you need money to get your internet recharge done. You need money to have the food you like. You need money for every single thing, that it would be wrong if you call money as a bad thing. Hence, instead of calling money a bad thing, start planning to earn more money. Having money isn't evil, earning money isn't evil. Exploiting people to acquire that money is, however, and spending it wantonly in ways that don't bring value into anyone else's life is probably also evil, though a bit more muddied. Too many people do too much good with money to call it evil. Beyond the personal effects money has on the person who possesses it, that individual can use the money for good in her or his home, neighborhood, city, state, country, or around the world. To be sure, wealthy individuals of questionable character have long made major donations to good causes for various reasons, including attempts to clean up their own poor reputations. 1. Daily habits to make more money. Money is something which is not generated overnight. It requires a lot of time and discipline. Discipline will come only when you have good daily habits. These habits involve saving money on a daily basis, keeping track of all the money that is coming in and all the money that you are spending. Just by indulging yourself in these good habits, you can create a lot more wealth. Everyone should teach their children these things. Thanks for watching.